very the vocabularies and you have to understand the vocabularies. Repeat after me. Prononce. Repete après moi. Prononce
Pronounce.
is my verb
Pronouns.
to pronounce. Prononce. Now
Pronounce.
over here, why pronounce? Because EZ sound is A in French. Team, are you getting one thing? We are doing a lot of phonetics on a daily basis because these phonetic will help you to increase your level. So pronounce is my verb to pronounce. Is it clear to you? If I will say, what is parler? What to say parler is to speak.
To speak.
If I will say parler plus, what is plus over here? Now you will enter in a theater. Now I will give you some phrases in terms of how to speak the language, right? Now, plus, what is plus?
Here.
Plus
More.
so literally meaning of plus is more.
More.
Repeat because S would be silent. Parler plus fort. Repeat after me. Fort. What F-O-R-T, fort. In English fort we have killer. But in French we have fort is strong, loudly. If I will say parler plus fort, repeat after me, team. Parler
Parler
plus
plus
fort.
fort.
Plus fort.
Speak more loud. Either I can say speak louder. If I will say, if I'm saying something, parler plus fort, parler. Yeah, I didn't get this. Can you speak strong? Can you speak louder? So what do you say? Parler plus fort, s'il vous plaît. What is s'il vous plaît? S'il vous plaît is please. Literally meaning of s'il vous plaît is please. Now repeat after me. Because today again, why we are doing read aloud so that you will get a touch of the language. Now repeat after me. Parler
Parler plus
s'il
fort,
vous plaît.
s'il vous plaît.
Repeat after.
Parler plus fort, s'il vous plaît.
Parler plus fort.
If I'm saying something else, vous me dites quelque chose pour autre rien, ce n'est pas grave, c'est très bien, c'est excellent. You say, sir, what is this? Speak slowly, please. You say, what is this going on? Speak slowly. Now repeat after me. Because today you will come to know two terms, speak strong, speak loud, and speak slowly. What to say in French? Parler lentement. Repeat after me. Lentement, lentement.
Parler lentement.
Lentement. Now in lentement we have four phonetics. En sound is on.
Oh.
E sound is E sound is again En sound is on. But we have a word which is ending from T. That would be silent.
Silent.
So repeat after me. Parlez lentement, s'il vous plaît.
Parlez lentement, s'il vous plaît.
Is it clear?
Lentement, s'il vous plaît.
Claire? Now repeat after me. Prononcez, s'il vous plaît. It means pronounce, please. Is it clear? Parlez plus fort, s'il vous plaît.
Parlez plus fort, s'il vous plaît.
Parlez lentement, s'il vous plaît.
Parlez lentement, s'il vous plaît.
Is it clear to you, team?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, team, I will give you some verbs direction. Now repeat after me. Have you done être verb? Repeat after me. Être.
Être.
The meaning of être belongs to my is MR verb. Is it clear to you? Now, team, I think we already have done être verb. So what to say is MR verb? I am, you are, he, she is. Team, if I say I is, you will laugh on me? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Why? When is MR meaning is same, why cannot I is and why cannot he am? Because we learn, we understand this thing by heart and we know I am is I am, I cannot I is. The same thing we have in French also. Is it clear to you, team? Clear?
Yes,
Okay. So now, team, over here, we have ether, and we already have done je is to I. Have you done, Prabhat ma'am? Sorry,
Sir.
I forgot your
No.
name. Gaganjot ma'am, sorry.
No, I have not done this.
Yes, we have done.
Yesterday we have done this. Okay, now let me repeat this. Je
Je.
is to I, clear? So literally meaning of I, what to say I?
Je.
And je, clear? Tu, repeat after me, tu.
You.
Like in
You.
Hindi, we have tu and a. So the same we have the pattern for French. Tu, we have you informal. Is it clear to you? Il is to he
You.
and elle is to she. Now repeat after me. Je is to I.
Je is to I.
Tu is to you informal.
Tu is to you informal.
Informal.
Il is to he.
Il is
Il
to
is to
he.
he.
Elle is to she.
L is
Elle
to
is
she.
she.
No. No is to we. Is
No
it clear
is
to
to
you?
we.
We.
So repeat after me. Je is to I.
Je is
Tu
to
is
I.
to I.
Tu is to you informal.
Tu is to you informal.
Il is to he.
Il is to he.
Elle is to she.
L is to she.
Nous is to we.
Nu is to we.
Vous. Vous is to you formal, which is to आप. Is it clear to you, Gaganjot ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Jai Vache, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And then we have, they. If I can say a lot of boys, so he is ill. So if I will add S, because we have boy, boys, girl, girls, right? So there can be a lot of boys in terms of he, they. If from L is to she, if I will add S, that is she, lot of girls. Clear? So repeat after me, team. Je is to I.
Je is to I.
Tu is to I.
Tu is to you informal.
You is
You is
to
to you
you
informal.
informal.
Now, if I will say, team, parlez plus fort, s'il vous plaît. If I'm saying speak strong, please. So repeat after me. Je is to I, tu is to you
Je is to
informal.
I. Tu is to you informal.
Il is to he.
Il is to he.
Elle is to she.
Elle
L
is to
is to
she.
she.
Nous is to we.
Nu is
No
to
is
we.
to
To
we.
we.
Who is to you formal.
Who is to you
And
formal.
as S conveyed to you, S ending would not get pronounced. So it means plural. We pronounce like ill and L, but yes, in writing we have ILS and ELLES. Is it clear to you, team?
Sir, I've got a doubt. Now, sir, ILS, what is the pronunciation of that? Like,
Ill.
have to say, they are
Ill.
playing.
Which one?
So supposedly it's like lot many boys playing. So
Yes. Yes.
yes. So they are playing. So
They
that
are
becomes-
playing, right?
That
So
becomes what?
yes. So I will apply ill. ILS because S would be silent.
But when we have to pronounce, it is going to be L only.
Ill only, yes. Now, how I will come to know it is talking about a lot of boys because that verb, play verb will convert it into plural. I will explain to you how.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Okay. Now, for example, we have verb parler. Parler is my verb to speak. Right? Now, for example, in French, basically, we have three things over here. One thing you have to understand. Now, for example, we have manger. Manger is to eat. Now, what is the similarity over here? My verb is ending from ER. My verb is ending from ER. So that's a rule, team. In French, that's a rule. If my verb is ending from ER, clear? If I want to convert my verb with I, you, he, she, we, I have to eliminate ER from the end. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
I think we have done this. If
So
I'm
we've
not-
done manger, that becomes A. Yes.
Yes. So, आपका मैं आंसर कर रहा हूँ गगनजोत मैम जो आपने भी क्वेश्चन रेज किया है.
Yes.
Now, what is the formula of e running verb? E ES. Remember Prabhat ma'am? Sorry,
Yes,
Ramjot
yes,
ma'am.
yes.
ONS.
Yes.
Now over here, EZ, ENT. Now tell me one thing over here, that E formula will apply with je. That E formula, if I will say I speak, what I need to do is I have to eliminate ear from the end, and I left with PARL, PARL, and I have to insert E. Je parle.
I speak.
Yes. Now we have you speak, that is tu,
Tu.
clear.
All right.
Then we have PARL, talk से ear remove होगा and ending is ES. So tu parles is you speak, clear.
All
Now
right.
we have il and L. So what I need to do is I have to take it PARL. So il, el, parle. Clear?
All right.
No, with which in case of V. So I have to take PARL, which is nous parlons. Now we have vous, because EZ case is my vous, clear. I will say to pick PARL and vous parlez because EZ sound is A. So team, one thing you have to understand, the formula of ESE, ONS, EZ, ENT. Now your question comes with ma'am. Lot of boys are speaking. L, L, PARL. In case of plural, my verb would be ENT format.
All right.
So for this reason, that is il, el, parle, because ENT is my plural version. So repeat after. Je parle is to I speak. Bolo please.
Je parle is to I speak.
The parle is to I speak.
Parle is to you speak.
Tu
Tu
parle
parle is to you speak.
ये पार्ले नहीं होगा क्योंकि यहाँ
Parle.
पे ई का साउंड अ है.
Okay.
अगर ए बोलेंगे तो ये ऊपर हमारा एक्सेंट चला जाएगा. जो हमने एक्सेंट लर्न किया ई का साउंड ए किया ना, सिंबल राइट हैंड साइड वाला. सो je parle, tu parles, il parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle. Clear team? So team, for example, we have verb être. There's something. Être literally verb belongs to my ismr. Être literally, littéralement, appartenir. अब आपको मैं एक B1 की वोकैब पे लेके जाता हूँ ड्रामेटिकली. बोलो मेरे साथ आप, क्योंकि जो मैं इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करूंगा बिलोंग्स टू, वो मैं फ्रेंच में भी आपको बताऊंगा. सो दैट कि जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ इंग्लिश में, व्हाट आई एम स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश, उसका आपको वोकैब पता हो. और हमारा बेसिक तो यहाँ से अभी चल ही रहा है. Appartenir. Repeat after me.
Appartenir.
Appartenir.
Partner.
Appartenir is my verbs to, belongs to. Clear? Clear? Bolo. Appartenir.
Partner.
My verbs to, belongs to. Repeat after me. Appartenir.
Appartenir.
Partner.
Appartenir is my लिख लोगे B1 वो क्या? Appartenir is my belongs to. Now we are doing over here H verb, right? So team, as you learn I am, if I will say tell the formula of learning I am, can you explain the formula of learning of I am? Can you explain the formula of I will? Why IWILL in future? It means you learn something. Tell me, team, yes and no? The same team, you have to understand H verb. Repeat after me. Je suis. Suis is my case of am. Je suis is to I am. Why suis? Because
Yes.
être is my formula. Être is my verb. Is MR to be is my full verb of être, because in French language I have to break the verb. Être is my full verb of is MR, but if I want to convert I am, you are, it will be break. And we have to understand by heart. So repeat after me. Je suis is to I am.
Je suis is to I am.
QA is to you are. Repeat after me. QA is to you are.
to you
QA is to you are.
QA is equal to UR.
LLA is to he, she is.
LLA
LLA is to
you.
he, she is.
Nous sommes is to we are.
Nous
Nous
sommes
Is
is to
equal
we
to
are.
we are.
Vous êtes is to you are.
Vous
QA
êtes
equals to UR.
And ils sont is to they are. Repeat
Il
after
also
me,
equal to
please.
they are.
These very important verbs. Repeat after me because my friend is based upon my eth verb. A lot of the things we have take the help of eth verb. So repeat after me. Je suis is to I am.
Je suis is to I am.
Q A is to you are.
QA is to you are.
LLA is to he she is.
LLA is to he, she is.
Nous sommes is to we are.
Nous sommes is to we are.
Vous êtes. Team, मैं यहाँ पे क्या? What I'm doing over here? I'm combining S and E. We have a had. Whenever your word is ending from a consonant, we have done yesterday, right? And the next word is starting from a vowel. Whenever team you have a word which is ending from a consonant, and the next word is starting from a vowel, I have to combine the sound. Vous êtes. Is it clear to you? And ils, elles sont is to they are. Now repeat after me, my team. Je suis is to I am.
Je
Tu
suis
Je
is to
suis.
I am.
you are. Il, elle, is to he, she is.
LLA is to
Some
he, she
is
is.
to we
Nous
are.
sommes is to we are.
Vous êtes is to you
Vous
are.
êtes is to
Il,
you
elles
are.
sont is to they are.
They are.
Clear होगा कमजोत मैम आपको?
Yes.
Now, same parallel portion, we have avoir also. What is my avoir? Avoir is my verb to has have. Because we are covering the portion of has have, is about, then only I can enter in the theaters. Over here we have I am doing this, you have this. So ismr has have is very important. So je suis, tu es, il, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. Clear? Now. Avoir is my verb to has have. Team bolo avoir.
Avoir.
Team at
Avoir.
our verb. We have these verb belongs to my irregular verb. Why irregular verb? The verb which do not have formula of ending, like you have done parley verb, formula ese, but there's some verb wherein we do not have ending that to understand by heart. So that is our is to has have. Clear? So that is je, I have a. A is my have. But team, as E is a vowel, right? We have done like any word is ending from a vowel, and the next word is also starting from a vowel. So we have to combine, we have to drop one vowel and we have to apply l'apostrophe. So repeat after me, je. Je. Je is to
Je.
I have.
Je is to I have.
Tu is to you have.
Tu is to you have.
Il, elle, a is to he, she has.
Il, is to he, she have.
Nous avons, team, very important. We have to learn by heart. Nous avons, nous avons. S
Nous
and A
avons.
we have to combine. Nous avons is to we have. Okay.
Have.
Vous avez is to you have. Clear.
Vous avez is to you have.
Il, elle, zon. Zon, why zon? Because S and O have to combine. Il, elle, zon. So répétez après moi. Je is to I have.
Je is to I have.
Tu is to you have.
Tu
Tu
is to
as
you
to
have.
you have.
Il, elle, a is to he, she has.
Il, is to he,
As
she
to
have.
he, she has.
Nous avons is to we have.
Nous avons is to
Nous
we
avons
have.
is to we have.
Vous avez is to you have.
Vous
Vous
avez
avez
is
is
to
to
you
we
have.
have.
And ils ont is to they have.
Il,
Il,
elles ont is to they
is
have.
to they have.
Team, clear हुआ?
Yes.
Team, we are doing irregular verbs today. Now we will play something Like in the same way, we'll do something else. In the second way, we'll do something else, right? Now, team, I will give you some verbs. I will give you some verbs which is ending from er, and you have to understand those verbs. Is it clear to you, team? I will give you some verbs, team, wherein they have their ending of er. Is it clear to you, team? Clear? Okay, give me 2 minutes. Let me send it to you. Now repeat after me, which we already have done these things. Ekute.
Ekute.
What is ekute? Is to listen. Because if we have ague, a sound, ekute is to listen. If I were to convert ekute verb with I listen, e-running verb. So what is the formula of e-running verb, team? E, es, e, ons, ez, ent. Team, all of you, is it clear to you? Team, is it clear
Yes,
to
sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula? Je, ekut. Over here, we have two vowels, so I can say j'écoute. Is it clear to you?
J'écoute.
Clear, team? Tu, it means you informal. Tu, écoute. Over here we have e. Tu écoute is to you listen. समझ आ रहा है आपको मैम? सभी को टीम? Clear? So what is ill L? Tell me. What is ill L? Team, tell me. Ill L. Écoute क्योंकि why? Because e ending e, es, e. With no we have ons ending. So what I can say? Tell me, team. No. I can add on ons. Now over here, team. If we have a sound, right? If we have a sound, so I can say nous écoutons.
Nous écoutons.
Because we have to combine the sound. Now over here we have vous conjugation, vous. Now over here, team, we have vous. Vous écoutez. Is it clear to you, team?
Nous écoutons.
Team, all of you, is it clear to you? Now over here we have plurial, ILS and ELLES. So formula is il L j'écoute.
Il
L, we have to j'écoute. Is it clear to you, team? All of you, is it clear to you?
Il j'écoute.
Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. J'écoute.
J'écoute.
Écoute.
Il écoute.
Il
Nous
écoute.
écoutons.
Nous écoutons.
Vous écoutez.
Vous écoutez.
Elles écoutent.
Ils écoutent.
Now, team, for example, we have marcher. Convert marcher verb. फटाफट make it fast. मुझे करके भेजो मेरे नोटपैड पे. फटाफट व्हाट्सएप करो. Marcher convert करो team. Make it fast, please. फटाफट make it fast. Marcher is my verb to walk. Team, marcher is my verb to walk. Convert it out, please. कर रहे हो गगनजोत मैम, आप कर रहे हैं?
Yes, yes.
Marcher Donner is my verb to give. Convert donner verb in present tense. Make it fast, please. Donner, marcher. I will give you one formula of aimer. Aimer is my verb to give, is to like. So the moment I will convert aimer verb, see it in the notepad. I can say je am no, because two vowels eliminate j'aime. J'aime, but one thing you have to understand, tu, and in case of L, the ending will not applicable. With tu, we have U and A, we cannot know. Tu and L, that's the exceptional cases. Tu and L पे हम vowel eliminate नहीं करेंगे, बाकी हर जगह करेंगे. Okay? Team, is it clear to you? Is it clear to you, all of you, my team? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Clear? So please send it to me. Donner, laver, marcher. Laver is my verb to wash, bend down, and all these verbs you have to send it to me. This is your task for today. ये एक मैं आपको exercise, मतलब you know we are doing, you know, the writing exercises. Like you have to write the French now अपने आप से. Clear? Chanter is to sing. Make it fast, please.
How do you send, sir?
You have to write down and click the picture and send back to the WhatsApp. Clear?
Okay.
Shante is to sing. Repeat after me. Shante is to
Chante is to sing.
lave is to wash.
Lave is to
Claire. Decide is to decide. Pen down, please. Decide is to decide.
decide is to decide.
Pen down, please. Compte is to count.
Compte is to count.
Compte is to count. So convert all these verbs in present tense. Marche is to walk. Repeat after me. Marche is to walk.
Marche is to
Donner
walk.
is to give. Lave is to wash.
Lave is to walk.
Clear. Chante is to sing.
Chante is to sing.
Decide is to decide.
Decide is to decide.
Compte is to count.
Compte is to count.
Payer. Repeat after me. Payer. Payer is to pay.
Paye is to pay.
Is to pay. Is it clear to you, team? So team, ये आपका task होगा. लिखो अपना, write down project 1. We are working for project 1. Now project 1 में हमारा क्या आ रहा है? You have to conjugate project 1. Marche, donner, lave. Is it clear to you, team? Coco. Is it clear to you, team? Now team, we are working for vocabularies today, which will help you, which is the most common e-learning verb. So repeat after me. Donner is to give.
Donne is to give.
Repeat after me. Donner is to give.
Donne is to give.
Because team, my French is based on my verbs vocabularies. If you have verb vocabularies, you can speak. Demander. Repeat after me. Demander. Demander. Request. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Demander is to request.
Request.
Yes, demander is to request. Trouver.
Demander is to request.
Team, all these vocabularies, it has to be in your mind. You have to keep all these vocabs in mind. Trouver. Repeat after me. Trouver. Trouver is to find.
Trouver.
Yes, trouver is to find my team. Passer is to pass. Repeat after me. Pass to pass. Rester is to rest. Team, repeat after me. Rester is to rest. Repeat it, please.
Reste is to rest.
Porte is to carry and to wear. Repeat after me. Porte is to carry and to wear. Repeat after me. Porte is to carry.
Porte is to carry.
Porte is to carry.
Clear, team? So repeat after me. Écoutez.
écouter,
écouter,
marcher,
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 donner,
donner,
laver,
laver,
chanter,
laver,
chanter,
décider,
chanter,
s'éclater, compter,
compter,
payer,
payer,
écouter.
écouter,
écouter,
Is it clear to you, team? Bolo team, commencer. Repeat after me, team. Commencer.
commencer,
Someone said,
Commencer. Commencer is to start. Begin. Commencer is to start. Repeat after me.
commencer,
Commencer is
someone says to start.
commencer,
appeler. Literally meaning of appeler is to call. Appeler is to call. Repeat after me, team. Appeler is to call. Is it clear to you?
appeler
Yes.
is to call,
Decide is to decide. We have done occupy. Repeat after me, team. Occupy. Repeat
Occupy.
after me.
occuper,
Occupy. Occupy is to occupy. Occupy.
occuper,
Is it clear to you? Semble. Semble is to seem like. Semble.
sembler,
Semble is to, sorry. Semble. Repeat after me. Semble is to seems, to feel like, to seem. Na? I seem that, you seems that. There is semble. Team समझ आ रहा है vocab question आज आपको? And every vocab you have to convert it out. Every vocab is you, ill, and you have to send it back to me. Is it clear to you, team? Clear?
So we have to change all of them into present tense.
Yes, you have to convert, conjugate. Now, for example, we have verb demande. Demande is to request. So what I will do, I can do je demande.
Je,
I request because that is my e and e ending. Then we have tu es, tu
tu,
demande,
tu,
s'éclaire team, il elle demande. Because these are the vocabularies which will exact more. We are using the same vocab which will use in your TEF exam, right? Nous demandons. Nous demandons. Is it clear to you, team?
yes,
Who? We have EZ ending. It is just you to understand EZ ending. Okay, vous demandez. Clear, team. Okay. And il, elle. Il, elle, demande. Is it clear to you, team? I think I'm getting some error in the keypad. Il, elle, demande. So repeat after me. Je demande, tu demandes, il, elle demande, nous demandons,
nous
vous
demandons,
demandez,
vous demandez,
il, elle,
il, elle demande.
टीम समझ आ रहा है आपको कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है सारा?
yes,
Is it clear to you, team? टीम बोलो let's say, very important.
Laisser,
let's say,
Let's say is to leave and to allow. Laisser. Let's say. Let's say is to leave and to allow. Is it clear to you, my team? Cuckoo, is it clear to you? Now, team, I'm giving you one task over here. Okay. Team Cuckoo, you there, team? Let's do
we shall,
5-4 verbs and you have to conjugate these verbs in present tense. Right? Now, we have verb rappeler. Rappeler is my verb to remind. Let me remind you. टीम हम थिएटर खेलेंगे अभी. इन वर्ब से हम थिएटर खेलेंगे. कौन कौन सा वर्ब होगा? बोलो donner is to
Donner.
give. Repeat after me. Donner. देखो convert
Donner.
कर लोगे. Because you know ER and ending we have E, ES, E, ONS. है ना? You can do the conjugation, but the main thing is how we can use these vocabularies. इन vocab का हम थिएटर खेलने वाले हैं. So team, इस रीजन से मैं आपको ये 15-16 वर्ड हम लोग कर रहे हैं so that you will come to know. Repeat after me. Donner is to give.
Donner is to give.
Commande is to request.
Demande is to request.
Demande is to
Trouver
request.
is to find.
Donner is to
To
find.
find.
Passer is to pass.
Passer is to
Passer is
pass.
to pass.
Rester is to stay and to remain.
Rester is
Rester
to
is to
stay.
stay and remain.
Clear? Porte is to carry.
Porte is to
Porte is to
carry.
carry.
Parler is to speak.
Parler is to
Porte is
speak.
to speak.
Montrer is to show.
Montrer is to
Montre
show.
is to show.
Continue is to continue. Okay, I will write it down two things over here. Write it down. Montrer we haven't done, and continue. Pense, commence. Let me write it down over here. Montrer is to show. Repeat after me. Montrer is to show.
Montre
Montre is to show.
Continue is to continue.
Noe is to continue.
Repeat after me. Pense is to think. Repeat after me, team. Pense is to think.
Pense is to think.
Compte is to commence.
No. Ponce.
Pense is to think.
P-E-N. दिख रहा है आपको P-E-N-S-E-R. Ponce, team.
Ponce, Ponce, all right. Sir.
Ponce is to think. Is it clear to you, team? Cuckoo.
Ponce is to think.
Yes. So repeat after me. Montre is to show. Repeat after me.
Montre is to show.
Repeat after me. Continue is to continue.
Continue is
is to
to
continue.
continue.
Ponce is to think.
Ponce
Ponce
is
to
to
think.
think.
Ponce is to think.
Is it clear to you, my team? Repeat after me. Commence is to begin.
Monce
Montre
is
is
to
to
begin.
begin.
Okay. It means commence is to start with. So how many verbs we have today, team? Count the verb, please. How many verbs we have, team?
So 22, I think 22.
22. Can you convert these 22 verbs in present tense? Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Try. We'll try.
Right? So what you need to do is, अच्छा, now you tell me, like, अगर हमें कल का सेशन भी लगाएं तो वहां भी verb थी ovaries, हमने किया था tesse, right? So now what I'm thinking over here is, if you will convert these 22 verbs, it means you will convert one verb with I, tu, il, el, nu, vu, and il, el plural. It means one verb you will write by 6 times, na? Why? Because you are writing with sure, you are writing with tu. It means if you will write one verb with 6 times, these verb will, your mind will capture those words. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So now what you need to do is, I'm giving you one task today first. In order to move forward, you have to convert those verbs and send back to me. Fatafat. Can you do that, team?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो करो फिर आप. Your time starts now. Meanwhile मैं अभी मीटिंग को लीव कर रहा हूँ. मैं आपको इसका, क्योंकि अगर मैं ज्यादा होल्ड रखूँ तो फिर रिकॉर्डिंग कन्वर्ट नहीं होगा, हैवी हो जाएगा रिकॉर्डिंग. लेट आपको वैसे रिकॉर्डिंग चाहिए आज का, टीम? You want this
Yeah.
recording?
चाहिए सर, चाहिए, चाहिए.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What I'm going to do is now I'm going to share a recording with you of this session, and meanwhile you submit your task. This would be project 1 for 1st of October. Pen down.
तो वो कल का भी एक्चुअली चाहिए था थोड़ा. कल
कल वाला भी YouTube पे ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड है. I will share it with you अभी. ठीक है?
Okay, okay.
So what I would say, Gaganjot ma'am, what you
हाँ
need
जी,
to do,
sir.
ma'am, कल का recording you have to watch and you
हाँ
have to
जी.
pen down entire content and send it back to me. जो नहीं समझ रहे ask to me, okay? आज का ये
Sir,
20.
I'll do it. And sir, is it possible? Is it possible I send you the screenshot of all this conjugation?
हाँ, sure, definitely. Screenshot ही
है ना
चाहिए.
screen? ठीक है.
Clear? Okay.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
बट प्रैक्टिस कैसे करेंगे हम? जो सेशन कल का है उसको आप लिखोगे तो सही ना, जो कल में जो बता रहे हैं उसको एक नोट्स बनाओगे.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
उसको सबमिट करेंगे आप.
ठीक है.
क्लियर? आज 22 वो कैप का लिख के एंड स्क्रीनशॉट हो, अब कैमरे से आप अपना मोबाइल से क्लिक करेंगे, यू कैन सेंड इट टू मी. ठीक है?
Alright.
ये मुझे टास्क
Right.
आपने करके भेजे प्लीज. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
ठीक है, तो अभी मैं बिकॉज
ठीक है।
रिकॉर्डिंग कन्वर्ट करना है तो अभी मैं मीटिंग लीव करूँ, मुझे अपना टास्क प्लीज करके भेजिए। अभी मैं रिकॉर्डिंग आपसे शेयर कर रहा हूँ दोनों, ठीक है?
All right. All right.
चलो, ओवर।
Over.
Wow.